today we're taking a look at DJ fills. Let's go. Some filter on it. Cut off. So he filtered the cutoff and then he just missed the drop by 1 beat. It sounded fine. Next video. Oh! Oh no. Oh no. Please. Pick it up. Pick it up. Can you save it? Okay. Oh. Oh, the mirror. Ooh, he almost killed the mirror. Oh, again. Oh, it's the same video. Okay. Oh, that sucks. I'm so happy I never really did weddings, and stuff like this makes me so happy that I never did, because this would not be something I'm interested in doing at all. Setting this up, it looks so dangerous too. Like the down plate of the speakers is so narrow, so it just falls over. No, it's not something I want to do with my life. I choose to live. If you get that on the mirrors, it will break. People will be unhappy, and you have to deal with it. I just want to play music and have a fun time. And yeah, this doesn't look like a fun time to me. Next one. Huh? Why did the music stop? Someone pressed the pause button. Nah, it's fine. It's all fine. That's why I love doing DJ stuff like this. If something like this happened, because someone put the hand on the platter, right? And then just the music stopped. And then I took the hand off and then I swept it back and then everything was fine. And that's how you should have fun with it. Like something like this happened, it's the creativity of the situation and the skills you have as a DJ to actually make it elevate the party even more, because you interact with the crowd and that's people notice. And if you spin it back or if you actually make the party go again, it's actually a good thing that it happened. Baby, oh no! Yeah, that's not so bueno. It's great to have fans say hi to you, but not when they touch stuff. Actually, I think the fan is kind of fine, whatever. They should have bolted the DJ turntables to the floor, because if you actually play this close to the crowd, you don't really expect someone to do this. It's kind of stupid, but people are drunk, people want to have a good time, and they want to say hi to the DJ. They should have bolted it with some screws or something inside the floor to prevent this from happening. Even just 2 screws will be fine. Oy. Nightmare fuel for me right there. Yeah, this is not a good one to have. Next one.
POV. You take a short toilet break and then you see this.
That's in the Netherlands. Someone just steals the steals the DJ CDJ. Oh, that's crazy. Only in the Netherlands. Kind of crazy. If you like this concept, leave a comment here and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will check some more DJ fills later.